My name is Mansi Bandishti. I'm currently pursuing my MBA in Finance and Business Analytics from Reva Business School. I recently got placed at EY. Getting placed at one of the big 4 companies is like a dream come true for me. It is one of the greatest opportunities which I've gained from Reva Business School.
Like I didn't even know that I will join the Reva. I have come through my friends. After joining Reva, I used to worry about the final year because my academics were low. Then after that, the faculty and other CDC placement officers used to motivate me a lot.
Our lecturers were more like our friends, wherein so it was not just about the lectures or how they used to make us understand the concepts, but throughout my journey in Reva, they have always guided us by giving their own life, the values that they have learned and the experience that they have gone through in their life, which has helped me mold a lot.
Best thing is, to be honest, our friends and even the Reva friends, faculties, everything. It's like overall. Reva is not only about providing us education, but it also provides us many opportunities to join different clubs, to explore ourselves.
I say you find people with different places and like collaboration. That's one thing I really like from here. People collaborate here.
They helped me set up my system. I had too many issues when it comes to interviewing, because it was a virtual interview. We didn't have a physical interview, so they had to set up different rooms to different people. I mean, at the same time, a lot of people had to give their interview, so they made it go like very smoothly. We didn't have any tension.
Emotion, it was priceless because I was expecting a company, I was expecting to get placed in a company, but because of Reva CDC, I've got placed in 4 companies and my parents are very happy about it.
Initially, to be honest, it was like the fear, excitement, everything was a mix of emotions, because seeing your friends getting placed and you're not getting placed, it's kind of it's a fear within it, comes within itself.
Actually, the thing is, we have a peer pressure from our parents. That is, we have to get placed at one of the big companies and we also have to get more opportunities. So that is one pressure that we have to handle. But I guess Reva has been really helpful for me as an individual to grow both professionally and personally as well.
My friends, they are from different states, places, but I find a good connection with them through Reva and to our classroom, like discussing on common topics and discussing on theories. And they are of all background, I can say. Some are interested in tech, some are interested not in tech, some want to do completely different domain that they have come for. So I get different perspective of different career paths. So I got a lot of inspirations from them, a different perspective of to looking out of the box. Those things I have got from my classmates.
Abhinandan, definitely very much excited because from past 2 to 3 years, I would see our seniors coming together and celebrating their as they have got placement. So it is our time now and very much excited.
Actually, I'm too much excited about it, as it's a new thing, a new experience for us. For this semester, we have been experiencing new things. I don't know what they'll be doing, but we are quite excited about it.
So like Abhinandan is a very joyful moment for me and a proud moment for me, and I'll be very grateful for this Reva University.
I'm very much excited because I'm happy Reva is providing, giving recognition to the people who got placed in these tough times, and that is a really good appreciation for Reva for showcasing the people who have done their achievements and also motivating the people who wants to get placed, and it's a great motivator.
Very excited because all your hard work that you've done from your first year to your final year has finally paid off. And yeah, it is such a great event because you get to see people around you who are placed and you get to celebrate it together with like-minded people around you.
I was so excited because this was like I didn't even expect that I could could get a company in the campus itself. So I'm very much happy that I have got campus placement.
Abhinandan, yeah, it's most of the people, like 90% of the students come here just so to get placed. I mean, that's the first question that they ask. It's like, the salt in the dish. You can never go without the placement. It's something like that. But I belong to that 10% who didn't wish for a placement. But since I heard about Deloitte, it's like something that I wanted.
Abhinandan is one of the greatest opportunities and the platforms which helps us to recognize as an individual in the university.